nayo NLC nigwete ogeni ene miunda iria irigeri kuringithwa ni wagirithia Bwandara Cheanithi hujuriria maratasi ja kurewa onto buria bwabwirite kana bubwirite kwambiria ntukwerujo mabitha ba NLC baugite othondeki bugeta na mbere kiri miunda iria ene bari bakwejana rutha kiri mukandarathi akiaria county commissioner wa Tharaka Nithi noritie ene miunda baba batikathikire nguto chiorongo iri gutambwa kuga thirikari tibarea Martin Mugambi gatumenyithi
ya maya minda ndeni ya nthiguru ya Kenya atio National Land Commission ni thaganitie ne minda ire karingithwa ndagacheanithi ngacheti ya kithirikari.
This is in the National Land Commission calls upon persons who have an interest or claim in the land shown in the schedule here below, which the Commission intends to compulsorily acquire for the proposed realignment of Nithi Bridge along the Makutano Embu Meru A9 Road in Tharaka Nithi County.
Kuringana na mwerekiria kirinkia meno ngazeti ino irutitwe kiria kari kenda bathi bakauge mende no yao mende no erothura valuation go tarirwa mirigo na nyuma ni kuriwa
to appear before the Commission in person on the date and the place shown to inquire into A. Issues of proprietor of the proposed acquisition, B. Issues of compensation, C. Any other relevant issues. Hiyo ambayo imesemwa the schedule below imeandikwa hapo, kila mtu ameandikwa plot number yake na mahali tutakutana ni Mudhambi, this is his office.
Ba kiaria kiri gikaro kia ombarichi ya mwangari mwe muthenya we munthenkia meno yugite baraba nenkanire menda agukabere kana hari Henry ikuo kambiria kurutirwa wira na mono kwenjirwa ikingi
kule chini mahali watajenga zile column, na leo asubuhi tumejulishwa kwamba one column will take about 3 months ndio ishe. For this project to be complete quickly, ili ishe haraka, lazima waanze kufanya those columns. So zile columns zitaendelea kuanza kujengwa kwa zile sehemu ambazo tumepeana early entry.
Kamishna David Gitonga gikaroni gikiauritia kariba ati kaombe kwingirwa kana guchocherwa ati batire wa thirikari.
So far, we can say things are not moving badly. We able to make progress. The inquiry exercise will begin from tomorrow, 5th up to 17th of this month, and from there now we've already have made a major milestone in the process of the construction of Nithi Bridge. Again, I would like to say that so far we also having the opportunity from tomorrow to serve those who will be affected by the process of early entry.
Keri potrandeto chaweru kuma gichigo mbunge kia Mara mbitagwa